Out here this hour, frustrated Hambanathi residents in Durban are taking to the streets today. They haven't had running water since the April floods. While the municipality has been sending water tankers to the area, residents say it's not enough and are accusing the municipality of neglecting them. Lethiwe Mdluli is there and tracking the story for us. She joins us now. Good morning, Lethiwe. I actually listened to one eloquent resident speaking a bit earlier, saying that water or basic services have become a luxury for them. It's as if they're living in the Stone Ages.
Of course, and a lot of residents have been sharing the same sentiments, Fundo. For now, Hambanathi remains a no-go zone as roads have been blocked with burning tires. And that's because most residents are just frustrated without having water. I want to show you right now. Hundreds of residents have come out to protest, and they are basically demanding for the municipality to make a plan in supplying those water tankers. They are saying there are a township of about 8,000 residents, and sometimes they go without water for about 2 weeks. And this is, of course, very frustrating because if you don't have water, that basic right, you can't do anything. You can't go to school, you can't go to work, and people can't go about their day because of this issue. They are also accusing some municipal officials of receiving bribes from some residents, and that sometimes impacts on other people getting those that basic service. I'm now actually joined by some of the residents who want to have their voices heard. I've been speaking to residents all morning, but I want to speak to more and get more information out of them. Sis Mandisa, I know ukuthi na bahlali bala eHambanathi senikhathele. Take me through lama frustrations and now.
Igama lami nguMandisa wakwaChili ngikhulumela kakhulu iyouth thina nakahle kahle nogogo bethu nabantu abadala esiphila nabo la kuye kufike amavaterikani ekseni like in the wee hours of lentuzana isikhathi abantu abadala they expected to carry 20 liters of amanzi bayagula labantu abadala banama chronics abanye baba banazo izingane abahlala nazo ukuthi bengabakhelela amanzi esinye isikhathi ingane zizibe late esikoleni ukuze fanele baqale bekha amanzi uyayibona into engishoyo ngisho hygiene endlini ayikho because zama ukuthi sisebenzise sparingly lawa amancane esinawo amanzi uyayibona into engishoyo so lento le isikhathaza kakhulu bafethu iyasikhathaza siyayicela attention kakhulu ukuthi ke sinakekeleke sizwakala ukuthi sithini because nathi si youth isikhona abanye liningi youth engasebenzi ikhona ama initiatives abangawenza ukuthi mhlawumbe benze ama campaigns mangabe ukuthi ngempela umonakalo omkhulu ngale yondlela kwenziwa ama campaigns sihlangane njenge youth singa volunteer and engage to ukuthi kulunge ilentuzana iprocess ukuthi sithola amanzi sicela amanzi nje a clean hayi lamanzi abasilethela wona angcolile kwesinye isikhathi ojojo bahlala ilento ama weeks angagcwele engenawo amanzi lawo expect ukuthi kuba ama resources esithola kona amanzi so siyacela bandla we urge ukuthi sicela amanzi clean and sicela ukuthi iprocess ilunge isheshe ilunge ma ukuthi sithola amanzi eHambanathi sekukaningi indawo eziseduze nathi zinawo amanzi lokho kwenza ukuthi sibe alarmed nathi ukuthi ngeke phela sesifanele sisukume manje silwele abazali bethu sizilwele nathi uqobo ukuthi sithola amanzi bafethu uyabona into engishoyo.
Ngiyabonga Sismandisa, and I also have Lethiwe joining me. Umasipala ubusushila ukuthi inkinga ekhona it's with the water treatment plant yalotho ngathi eyaba damaged during the floods, but it's going to take about 5 months ukuthi bayifix. Umphakathi uyayizwa kodwa lento esho umasipala
umphakathi athi niya understand lento kodwa iprocess ehamba ngayo ukuthi like imoto ziyafika sometimes ifika once a week, ezinye ifika twice a week, asiyazi ukuthi ifika kanjani. And makufika zifika ziyayikhetha indawo ngazi noma zihambela kubantu aba connected nabo noma kanjani. Even nojojo bethu abasifakele wona bawufaka endaweni ezikude and ungcolile yonke into. Even abo manje amanzi iyona into ebalekile, iyona into yokuqala ebalekile. Dinga amanzi, dinga 8 liters 8 glasses of water every day. Uzothatha apha mazophuza amanzi angcolile umuntu uzokhula. Yileyo nto leyo ngoba yangakho umphakathi usuqaswa kanjena ngobani amanzi afika sometimes angafiki asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. So ilento thina organize i-strike sokuthula yabo asixabani nomuntu nje sifuna uku-understand ukuthi kuhamba kanjani iprocess ihamba kanjani amanzi afika nini kanjani ngobani siyadinga amanzi.
Ukhansela yena usake wafika kodwa washo anything regarding ukuthi ama water tankers azofika nini ngasikhathini inini la kufanele nibe khona emgaqweni?
ngathini izinto ezisho amakhansela nezinto ezenzakalayo ayifani. So okay, yeah, bafika besi-address ukuthi okay imoto zofika kathathu umgwaqo nomgwaqo and ayikho le nto ayenzeki. Yeah. Yeah, sabona.
Fundo, very frustrated residents here. Mandisa was just saying, basically, sometimes they get water from these water tankers that have been supplied to the area by the municipality, maybe once a week. And that's very frustrating because it prevents them from functioning. She is saying that as the youth, they are willing to help in any way. They just need the municipality to contact them, make a plan, and they will help because they need this basic service. Mdluli was also talking about the fact that they're very frustrated with the dirty water that the municipality is supplying. They are accusing them of bringing them the dirty water, and they're saying it's very unsanitary and unhealthy for them because there's also elderly people in the area. So there's a lot of frustrations from these residents. I have called the local councillor, and he is saying that he's willing to speak to us once everything has died down. So we will be heading to him and just speaking to him about some of the plans that they have for this area, because another resident that I spoke to said the township has about 8,000 residents, and sometimes they only get, or they see only 3 water tankers in a week, which just shows you how much this community needs this water.
No, we'll leave it there for now. Thank you very much for that update, Lethiwe. That is our reporter, Lethiwe Mdluli, out in Hambanathi Township.